In an increasingly volatile world, manufacturers are rewriting the rules of resilience. Our Voice of Our Clients research, with 177 manufacturers, reveals a deep technological transformation underway, driven by pressures to digitize and adapt to global economic shifts. In response, leaders are accelerating digital strategies by embracing AI to build more sustainable, efficient, and resilient value chains. A clear digital divide is emerging between AI adopters and those behind in transformation. There is a nearly 40% gap between digital leaders and others in traditional AI implementation, and a 26% gap in generative AI. For manufacturers, AI is helping redefine how value is created, secured, and scaled across global ecosystems.
I see for digital leaders several key characteristics that define a digital leader in manufacturing. And AI really helps them to do that. Digital leaders have a strategy that covers their entire value chain and use digital hubs, such as manufacturing execution systems or even digital triplets to unify their processes. They are secure by design. That means that they are building security into every layer, from operational technology to the IT systems. And this is essential.
Our research identifies clear trends shaping the future of manufacturing. Manufacturing leaders are reinforcing their digital foundations with integrated, intelligent operations. AI, MES, and digital twins are connecting factory operations directly to executive decision-making and unlocking large-scale automation with real-time insights and scenario planning. Digital leaders, the 42% of executives getting expected results from their digital strategies, are modernizing and scaling technologies like AI for better agility and efficiency. In contrast, those still building or launching their strategies face fragmented systems and risk falling behind and losing competitiveness. The gap between digital leaders and others has doubled when it comes to legacy system challenges. As skilled employees retire, nearly 2/3 of executives say hiring IT talent is a major challenge. They're responding with hybrid work models, stronger employee branding, and internal training academies to attract the next generation of talent.
Manufacturers are under pressure to modernize not only their operations, but also how they attract, support, and retain talent. With hybrid work, automation, and an aging workforce reshaping the entire industry, a strong employer brand, one that reflects career growth, innovation, and next-generation values, is crucial for attracting the right talent. With experienced workers retiring, knowledge retention is a growing focus. So companies are using mentorships, process documentation, and also AI-driven knowledge hubs to capture and also to share their experience. Digital twins and simulation tools provide safe, hands-on training that accelerates onboarding and reduces risk.
The research also shows that tariff volatility, raw material access, and national security concerns are driving manufacturers towards supply chain sovereignty through nearshoring and reshoring. At the same time, sustainability mandates like digital product passports offer a chance to turn ESG performance into both regulatory compliance and competitive advantage. Together, these interconnected trends are pushing manufacturers to rethink their entire approach, from strategy to execution.
Manufacturers face constant volatility, from raw material shortages up to geopolitical shifts. Real-time data, predictive analytics, and AI enable them to monitor supply health, forecast disruptions, and respond proactively. This visibility supports a more resilient and secure manufacturing ecosystem. With manufacturers reconfiguring supply chains, nearshoring, and regaining control of key technologies, data and IP really become critical. Manufacturers are also needing to align with local and global compliance standards and to work within the ever-evolving ecosystems. So having a data strategy that extends across the ecosystem is crucial, and less than half of all manufacturers have one.
A major mining company wanted to optimize operations by modernizing their global monitoring system to better oversee crucial production activities across multiple sites. They needed a centralized platform and dashboard for metal distribution. Without these vital tools, optimizing production and tracking KPIs was an uphill battle. In our client partnership, we designed a solution that unified operations through real-time monitoring and powerful data-driven insights. Advanced technologies were integrated to track emissions, optimize equipment, and drive proactive, sustainable maintenance practices. As a result, they saw significantly lower operating costs and better performance. Data-driven decision-making became the norm, giving them newfound insights and precision in steering operations. This serves as a perfect illustration of manufacturers' top business priority: modernizing to improve operations.
Success favors those organizations that are aligned across IT and business. An early alignment between IT and business teams, along with a deep understanding of user needs, helps to prioritize high return on investment use cases and drive adoption. It is also important to establish a unified digital backbone and shared language. Scaling requires more than technology. It demands unifying IT and operational technology through secure, standardized architectures and investing in platforms that support enterprise-wide deployment.
Today's manufacturing leaders are harnessing data, AI, and collaboration to unify operations, turning complexity into clarity and challenge into opportunity. Whether it's creating greener, more integrated supply chain ecosystems, scaling digital twins across the enterprise, or unlocking real-time insights from connected assets, a powerful shift is underway. The tools are here. The talent is ready. The future of manufacturing will belong to those who design for disruption, not just react to it.